Hey y'all, Jonathan here. Making a quick how-to video on why you keep getting water inside the transmission and your hydraulic fluid of your tractor. So if this video helps one person, it's worth it. So basically, we got our old tractor here on the farm, or one of them, and the transmission keeps getting, the hydraulic fluid's all milky, but trying to figure out how water's getting in there. Couldn't figure it out. It is the boots right here. The water seeps in down here, gets it on the boots, and gets in your transmission of your tractor. So it's an easy fix. I'll leave a link in the description of the comments. But these boots were like $8 off Amazon, and it replaces, you can see this one here. But if you ain't got a boot, you want to keep your tractors running nice, keep them running forever, all you got to do is take a 5-gallon bucket and throw it over for now. And that'll keep the water out, at least help it a little bit. I'd use a shorter bucket. But that's the tip. Hope it helps. Y'all don't mind, give me a subscribe or a like. Have a good day.